What's up, guys? It's Mac bringing you a PSA on the Prime 1 Studios Batman Hush. So some collectors out there are having some issues with the statue leaning, and I just wanted to show you guys how mine looks. I have mine, of course, on top of a P.S.A here. So the statue itself does not lean, but I have noticed that the cape has definitely moved or come in towards the gargoyle head here after it's settled. But definitely go check your clearances to make sure that everything is where it should be. Like the cape, there's no gaps, and you want to just make sure that his footing is still in the correct position, and that everything is still keyed in and there's no extra spaces anywhere along the statue. And you can even, try to move it around and make sure that it's not going anywhere. So mine's still solid. Like I said, the cape has moved, but everything seems to be okay. So yeah, I wasn't really aware of any of these issues going on until about a couple of days ago. George from MCE kind of hit me up and let me know his concerns on the statue and wanted to know if I was experiencing any issues. So I shot him a quick video and sent it to him, and noticed that mine had, of course, like I said, moved. And I wanted to, share it with you guys, that way if you had the statue, so you could go check yours and make sure that it's okay. My other buddy, John over at Extreme Collectibles, has a statue as well, and he came home to a broken Batman Hush. It is unfortunate that that happened to him. I'll throw a picture up of what the aftermath of that piece looks like currently, but hopefully Prime 1 Studios will come through and take care of that for him. So definitely go check out George at MCE, and definitely go show some love to Extreme Collectibles, John Williams, over at his channel. So if I can save a statue and prevent this from happening to anybody else, then my job is done. Hopefully you guys find this video helpful. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch it. I'll throw a video link up for the unboxing and review on my channel here, so you guys can check this piece out in all its glory. Please give me a like on the way out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.